unlock the hidden files and change file permissions just through your Linux terminal, along with this bunch of commands. This is part 2, and if you're brand new to Linux, make sure to watch part 1. You can find it in my Linux for Beginners playlist. Before we unlock the hidden files, press Alt-Control-T on your keyboard and it will bring up a new terminal. Let's go to Documents and quickly make some folders. ls shows we're in Documents, with 3 things inside. To make a new folder, mkdir make directory with John makes a new folder called John in Documents. If you press enter, now we ls Documents and see John is added. To make multiple at the same time, just add a space in between each one and add multiple in one command like this. Now if we ls Documents, we have John, Jono and Johnny. To quickly remove them while in Documents, we can use remove directory, rmdir, and John, Jono and Johnny, which is our file names after it, and they are removed. And now we are just back to just 3 things in Documents. I'm going to do cd space tilde and bring us back to the user folder Mr. Pockets. If we ls Mr. Pockets, the user folder, we see move Jim, and we intend to move Jim back to Documents. So while in Mr. Pockets, you can use the mv move Jim followed by Documents /. Hit enter and it's done. ls Mr. Pockets, it's not there. That's right, it's moved into Documents. So we change directory to Documents, we then ls Documents, and move Jim is there. Now if I change the name move Jim and I change it to copy Jack, and we're in Documents, well, to copy Jack to photos, you do copy, which is cp space copy Jack space photos, and this makes a duplicate, and copy Jack is now in Documents and photos. Back in Documents, to do the same thing with files, not folders, files, use touch. You can run touch 1, 2, 3 with spaces, and that would make 3 individual files called 1, 2 and 3 inside of Documents. And to remove them files, it's just rm alone. So rm 1, 2, 3 with spaces, and now it shows it's all clear, just back to 3 items. Or is it? To see the hidden files, run ls-a, and -a is the switch for ls that allows us to see the hidden files. And we have a hidden file, .hideme. Okay, let's go and see what's in it. So we use cd change directory .hideme, press enter, then ls.hideme, and oh, there's nothing in it. Or is there? We can run ls-a and .foundme is here. A dot at the beginning character of any name makes it hidden. Right, I'll quickly show you how to rename a folder and make it hidden using mv, the same mv that we used earlier to move a folder. Here we have dude make me hidden in Documents. Run mv and your folder name with a space, and your folder name again, but with a dot at the beginning. Press enter, and now ls in Documents shows dude make me hidden is now hidden. Next is how to change file permissions after a quick disclaimer. Linux Commands opposes unethical or illegal activity and doesn't take any responsibility in misusing this video information. Let's go to Documents one last time, running ls, and we see our 3 options as usual. Now running ls-l, we see the permissions to these files. Here we see the file permissions, and the top one shows read and write privileges for some users. But we want read, write and execute across the board like these other 2. This could help in the future to be able to move files that are not intended to be moved or other things. Using a new command now, chmod changes the mode, and if we ran chmod 777 with the file name, the 777 would give read, write and execute across the board. So we do this, we press enter, and then we check it to ls-l to see the updated permissions again, and we have full custody. And if we want to change it back, we do the same again, but we change the 777 to 644. And that will take us back to just read and write again. We can run exit to exit the terminal. Oh, but even better, if we ran sudo shutdown -1, we would schedule a shutdown for 1 minute time. Or we could just do sudo shutdown 0 and press enter.